Want to know what restricting a person on Instagram does? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through what does restrict mean on Instagram. Let's get started. First, let's learn how to restrict someone on Instagram. First, open Instagram. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. Then open any chat. Tap on the person's profile at the top. Tap on the three dots at the right. Then tap on Restrict. What restricting a person on Instagram does is, it won't show any of their update or messages. It is an alternative to blocking. While a person can know if someone blocked them, people will not have any idea if they're restricted by others. Now tap on Restrict again to confirm. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.